There's a fire burn the fire brigade.
What's going on, guys? We have the whole battalion out here today. Cody put stop leak in his truck and it solved his head gasket, or not even head gasket, hole in the head. So now it has water in it and it's getting cold out, so he's putting straight coolant in. And
straight coolant.
Well, coolant. He already mixed it. He just got the straight coolant, like actually straight coolant, and then mixed it with distilled water. But what we're doing today is prepping the enduro cars because the hauler's not this upcoming weekend, but the weekend after that. So it's it's a real close. So what we're gonna do, because the Nova is in the way right now, is put the Nova in the garage where it's supposed to be. So I got to do some cleaning real quick. The quad will go here, and organize all of it. And then we'll bring the derby cars down. Cody still hasn't gotten a battery for his car, so he needs to take it out of his Duramax yet again. And then the caddy will run and drive nice. My van's down in the street, and I kind of want to put the trailer on it at some point later just because it'll look cool, so we'll find out. But that's what we're up to now, and we'll report back later.
It's just a garbage bag driving away.
The Honda. It smells like a Honda.
Oh, it's starting to rain.
You got like feet. Move those trash barrels. One. You gotta run this way from the trash barrel.
He can cut it.
Yeah, he's gonna hit the trash barrel.
No, I think he's right.
Alright, pull straight forward.
We gotta get it in there. In there. Resting spot.
Yeah. You're good. You have foot. Now you're really good. Cut it hard. Cut it hard.
Might be running out of gas, yeah.
Okay, well we can push it then.
Push me.
Alright, cut it. No, literally just keep it straight for now.
He's in neutral, so you guys control the speed.
Turn the wheel to the right. Right? Yep. Alright, keep it just like that.
Alright, I'll get behind the thing so it doesn't stuff anything.
Alright, now start trying to get to the left. Yep.
Plenty of room, come back.
Oh no.
Traction loss.
Yeah, it's got about 2 feet.
Straight.
Yeah.
Full lock. Keep going.
Oh, straight. You get it straight up. We can't push it.
You have to spoon. You gotta keep getting on.
Good.
You got about a foot. So stop right there. Perfect. Now that we finally got the Nova out of the way, back in the garage, we can start working on the wall wagons. Luxury.
Oh, not around. That was mine. Little foot down turnaround right here. Yeah, that was sweet. That was sweet.
Oh, the pine needles.
We just tossed it right around like a champ. I'm gonna have fun with this thing. I love it, dude. I can't wait. Oh, park's a little hard to find. Cool beans, man.
Sick.
Oh, my arms hurt.
Who needs a car wash?
She's like brand new. Oh, that hurts so bad. My arms are like jiggling off my body.
Yo, yeah. Let's get to it. Oh, war wagon number 2.
Is it running? Oh boy. I'll move this thing back a little bit so we can. Oh god, Cody driving. Keep going. What are you doing? Are you gone? I've never watched a more retarded child.
Why?
Just the front end was on the dirt.
Who this shit? Who cares?
Trailer up. Mine actually has a trailer ahead, bitch. Headlamps adjusted.
Yeah.
Rookies.
Alright, John's gonna park the car. Park.
Alright guys, the war wagons are at their resting place for tonight. It's starting to get dark out and we're supposed to get more rain. So we're gonna leave them here for tonight. Got them all down, got them where we need to be. And tomorrow we'll start tearing into them and get them ready because like I said, the race is wicked soon and it's gonna be wicked fun. So make sure to stay tuned and we'll see you in the next one. Peace!
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.